Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gypsy Escape. My name is Annie, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button to be notified each time I upload a video. So as you can read by the title of the video, this video is going to be my May favorites. I know we are already mid-June, but better late than never, and I'm always late to the party, so I guess that still counts. So I'll be talking about different things that I have been liking in the month of May, and यहाँ पर categories हैं and timestamps होंगे. So if you want to head over to a particular category, you can go ahead and check it out. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. मम्मा आवाज ना करना. Starting off with my favorite category, which is skincare. So this has all my skincare and थोड़ा सा जो makeup है, क्योंकि makeup usually मेरा consistent रहता है. I do not like to try a lot with makeup. इसलिए जो मैं starting से use कर रही हूँ, I usually stick to that. जो changes आते हैं, it can be maybe because of using a new eyeliner. कोई मैं try कर रही हूँ, या फिर कोई न्यू मस्कारा है. बेस मेकअप यूजुअली मेरा सेम रहता है. सो आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सपेरिमेंट मोर एंड फाइंड सम गुड प्रोडक्ट्स इन द मेकअप कैटेगरी फॉर यू, बट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग वी विल जस्ट गो ऑन विद द सेम रूटीन एंड ज़्यादा मंथली फेवरेट्स में मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. नाउ दैट इट इज़ द स्किन केयर कैटेगरी, सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट इज़ अ विटामिन सी सीरम विच इज़ फ्रॉम द डर्मा को कंपनी. And this is 20% vitamin C serum for skin radiance. Now the main reason I started using vitamin C serum was because I have a lot of spots around my cheek area. जब मुझे चिकन पॉक्स हुआ था तब I used to scratch, and जहाँ पर scratching की थी and वहाँ पर marks पड़ गए थे, and वो usually मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा prominent रहते हैं and people can see okay there is like automatically मेरे contour हो रखा है इस area में उस चीज़ के कारण. So that is the main reason I started using vitamin C serum, and इसकी consistency बहुत thin है. When you apply it on your face, it looks quite sticky, and जब आप उसको टच करोगे तो आपको पता लग रहा है it's really sticky. So you have to let it sit for some time. Once it is properly absorbed, then you move on with your moisturizer. And this vitamin C serum is absolutely amazing. I have been using it religiously, and I have seen a great change in my skincare, and my skin has absolutely started behaving really well. Especially ये areas जो हैं धीरे धीरे lighten हो रहे हैं. Now to clear the air, it does not lighten your skin tone, it just brings your real skin tone ahead, and you can absolutely go ahead and include this in your skincare regime, and you can thank me later. For the past 2 months my periods have been really inconsistent, जिसके कारण hormonal changes and pimples का issue फिर से start हो गया था. I usually have a really clear skin, touch wood, I am blessed with that, but hormonal changes के कारण the pimples keep popping up. And the one thing that I swear by, and you can check my previous videos as well जिसमें मैं skin care products की बात कर रही हूँ, I'll link them somewhere here, so you can see that there's just one product that I use when I have issues with the pimples, and that is the tea tree oil, which is essential oil, and this is from Aroma Treasures. Now how I like to use this is जहाँ भी मुझे पता है कि मेरे pimples होने वाले हैं, because वहाँ पे reddish area होना start हो जाता है and it starts paining when you touch it. So I just use 1-2 drops अपनी finger पे, and I just pat it there and let it sit for whole night or for whole day. That's okay. There is specifically no issue with this, as in you don't have to wear it in the sun or something like that. But before sleeping, that is when I try to use this, and 1-2 दिन में you'll see the pimple just disappears and it does not occur even. The other product that is always going to make it into my monthly favorites, I guess, is going to be by Juicy Chemistry, this organic lip balm, which is in the flavor blood orange and rose hip. So you can see this pot is still full, though I use it generously every single day and especially before makeup. But just a little bit goes a long way. And the reason ये अभी तक इतना full है because unlike other lip balms that you get, you don't have to reapply it every single time. Actually when it comes to this skincare marketing and all, products जो होते हैं ऐसे lip balms या moisturizers, what they do is they actually slowly keep drying your skin so that you have to reapply. इस वजह से उनकी marketing technique काम करती है. But this is organic lip balm and it just does not dry your lips. You hardly have to apply it एक दो बार दिन में. Your lips still look moisturized and this smells of orange. So if you're someone who knows me, you know that I love orange and citrus fragrances in my perfumes, in my skincare, and even in the candles. So I'm more inclined towards citrus fragrances, and that is one of the reason I bought specifically this one. इसमें I guess और भी variants है with the similar formulation obviously, so you can go ahead and buy whichever you prefer. For the longest time I always relied on face washes के ऊपर to clean my makeup, but after I started using this cleansing balm from Earth Rhythm, I did not look back, and I use this every single time I have to clean my makeup. So now because it is summers, it has already turned into a liquid consistency. So ये जो मैंने eyeliner apply किया है, I'll be showing you in this video itself. So this is like really waterproof. आप इसको जितना मर्जी रब कर लो, until and unless you are using a cleansing balm, it just does not come off. So this product, the cleansing balm, it takes away all of your makeup, and after that you can go ahead and apply a face wash. Coming to the other product that I'm happy to include it, but I'm also sad because it is gonna burn my pocket now. So it is the Bobbi Brown ka vitamin enriched face base, which is also a moisturizer and an amazing primer, especially for the dry skin. And this primer or moisturizer, it sits so beautifully on your skin, and iske upar makeup just glides on. I just cannot tell you how much I love this product. I bought this सबसे छोटे वाले में, and this was for 1K, and इसका बड़ा वाला I guess 4-5,000 का आता है. So I'm just saving so that I can invest because it is worth the investment. I literally use a pea-sized every time I have to use, ताकि इसको ज़्यादा देर तक I can use. But I know I have to make this investment because it just changes your makeup game. And it smells literally of luxury. Like when you are applying it, you know, okay, this is something you have invested in. So yeah, this is the other product that I have been absolutely loving. Those who have been following me on Instagram, they know I have been using these colored eyeliners, and this is one of the eyeliner. I bought 3, but the reason I'm including this is because ये मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, suiting my skin tone and all. So this is from Cuffs and Lashes, and it is in the shade Zafra, and these are the Color Pop liner, and it has amazing consistency. It's waterproof as I told. इसके लिए you need a cleansing balm, and simple फेस वॉश से ये रिमूव नहीं होता. सो दैट इज़ अ प्लस पॉइंट एंड अ नेगेटिव पॉइंट एज वेल. सो इफ़ यू आर डूइंग सम आर्टिस्टिक मेकअप एंड ऑल, आई गेस दिस इज़ वर्थ द ट्राई. द वन डाउन साइड दैट आई फील इज बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है. सो इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग योर टाइम एंड ऑल, तो ये ड्राई हो जाता है, एंड इसके ऊपर वर्क करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. सो यू हैव टू बी क्विक व्हेन यूजिंग दीज आईलाइनर्स. For this month I have one hair care product, and which is the Mamaearth का Onion Hair Mask. ये मैंने बहुत टाइम से इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and I guess this is the second or third tub now. I have used this a lot of times, and I have done smoothing on my hair, so I do have to apply hair mask before washing my hair every time, and a conditioner after doing the shampoo. And this is the one hair mask I swear by. And मैंने Mamaearth के ज़्यादा products use नहीं किया. I have just used the shampoos and this hair mask, and this hair mask is my holy grail, and my hair look absolutely amazing once. So मैंने आज भी बाल धोए हैं, and this is the hair mask I used before that, and you can see it looks so wonderful. Yeah, so that is just one hair care product for this month. Moving ahead to the lifestyle category. Now the first is this planner that I will like to show. Ouch, ये मैंने खराब कर दिया है. But this is the planner, and this is from Type 7. इसमें you have things to do, schedule of the day, calls and emails, and there are personal notes you can put. Then month wise you can set your goals. Then there's a column जहाँ पर आप manifestation के according अपने travel goals, financial goals लिख सकते हैं. And I have started writing in this, so this has come handy. And अगर मैं इसको consistently use करती रहूँगी, so this is gonna be amazing, so that I have my day whole planned out. But if you are someone who likes to keep planners and plan their day accordingly, I guess this is a must buy for you. In the lifestyle category, the second product is the menstrual cup from Plush. I have a whole video dedicated to menstrual cup which I'll link here, so you can go ahead and check that out. Not talking much, I have used it 2 times, though apne periods mein I have used it, and I haven't used pads, panty liners, anything, and there has been absolutely no spotting whatsoever. The third thing is a tripod. Now this is a mini tripod that I got from Amazon, and if you are someone who has started their YouTube channel, vlogging, or even simple video shoots वगैरह के लिए, so I guess this is a tripod you can invest into, like start करने के लिए. After that you can go ahead and buy a sturdy, a good one, but to start off, and even if you're vlogging and you need a tripod, so this is a great buy. Also I have started working out. So lifestyle category में जो आगे है वो है 2 gym essentials, like workout essentials that you have, and one is this gym mat. So this is a really good one. I have one in Gurgaon. मैं यहाँ पर आ गई थी तो मेरे पास कोई था नहीं, so this is the one that I invested into, and this is from Amazon Basics, and this is like a good thick foam one, and it works amazing. It is so soft. जो एक इसका मुझे डाउन साइड लगता है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्लिप होता है फ्लोर के ऊपर, so you need to keep your weights on it and then work out. Otherwise while doing any of the exercises like jumping jacks या ये सब, you are going to slip. So the second essential that I have for the workout are these resistant bands. ये भी मैंने Amazon से लिए थे. This is the heavy one. इसमें I guess 3 या 4 हैं. I actually can't find the other ones because this is the one that I use. और इसकी quality भी बहुत अच्छी है. Like I have thick thighs, so ये मेरे ऊपर भी बहुत अच्छे से fit आ जाता है. It looks this much but it expands easily. And इसकी thickness यहाँ पर भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, so it holds on to its position जिसमें आप exercise कर रहे हैं. Coming to the last lifestyle essential is this water bottle. This is from my protein, but I stole it from my boyfriend. Not stole, he gave me himself. बस थोड़ा emotional blackmail करना पड़ा था. But yeah, I got this one, and I drink water in this. ये है 1.5 लीटर की. Yeah, it's 1.5 liter, and 2 से 3 I have every day, and it has cleared my skin because I know कि okay इतना intake मुझे पानी का चाहिए ही चाहिए. So yeah, this is the last one in the lifestyle category. Moving on to the last category in this video. Yes, the video is going to end, but you don't want to miss this section. So these are the clothes section, and the first one is this gym legging. The TikTok legging, as you can say it. I got it in this color because यही color उसमें available था, and I actually have started liking maroon color a lot, and this is the legging that I got, and it is in the size L. Yeah, and it's quite stretchy, it's quite good, and I use it to work out. It does not give a huge, lift to your booty, but to work out you do feel sexy in these leggings. That is one thing I'll say. It is maybe in your mind because you see the TikTok leggings everywhere, and then you say okay, you are wearing the same, so maybe your booty is looking good, but I'm breaking the bubble. But it is comfortable. That is one of the reason I have included it. So ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा costly है, मतलब this legging, but if you want to go ahead with the trend and buy these leggings, link कहाँ होगा नीचे. The second one in the clothes category are these shorts. Now these shorts are in XL and ये इनामर के cycling shorts हैं. These are the shorts that I wear underneath my dresses, skirts, as it is. So these are holy grail. Like I clean it every single day and wear it again and again. I will be buying इसमें और मतलब सेम ही ब्लैक कलर में, मे बी डिफरेंट कलर, आई डोंट नो. देयर आर स्किन कलर के भी हैं इसमें, मे बी आई विल बी बाइंग दोज, बट दीज आर रियली कंफर्टेबल, कॉटन है. And if you are someone who wants to lounge only in the shorts, I guess this is a must buy. And this was really budget friendly, I guess 200-300 के आसपास ही था. But yeah, this is from Myntra. To the last product in this category and in this whole video is the one that I have saved for the last one itself, which is this dress from Bunai. It is an ethnic dress. मैं पिक्चर यहाँ पर कहीं डाल दूँगी बिकॉज इस फ्रेम में दिखाना बहुत मुश्किल है. बट दिस इज़ फ्रॉम बुनाई एंड आई गॉट इट ड्यूरिंग सेल, सो इट कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 2800. इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस आई गेस 3 या 4000 के आसपास है. बट दिस इज़ लाइक एन अनारकली सेट एंड इसके पीछे ये है चुन चुन. सो एंड इसका गला एंड बैक दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी हैं. द मेन रीज़न आई बॉट दिस वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ द दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा जो है आई गेस धोने पड़ा है, इसलिए आई कांट शो यू, बट यू विल सी इन द पिक्चर एंड आई विल पुट है माई पिक्चर एंड जो वहाँ पर उन्होंने पिक्चर डाली थी बुनाई की वेबसाइट पे, दैट विल बी देयर, सो यू कैन सी द कंपैरिजन. It came just as I expected. The quality is amazing. What I have seen while buying ethnic wear on internet, online उसको buy करते टाइम क्वालिटी जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं वैसी नहीं आती. सो आई वॉज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड. सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द रीज़न आई थिंक अगर मैं आगे कभी एथनिक वेयर बाय करूँगी, सो इट विल बी फ्रॉम बुनाई. So if you like this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also like, comment and share. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.